How's it going, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you the rear bumper, cargo rack, and spare tire carrier from Tusk for the 2019 and newer XP 1000. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today I want to show you an awesome accessory from Tusk. This is the rear bumper, cargo rack, spare tire carrier, all-in-one for the 2019 and newer Polaris XP 1000, both the 2 and the 4-seater. And just like the name says, when you buy one of these, you're getting 3 great accessories. You get a rear bumper, it's going to add protection for your machine. You get a spare tire carrier, which we think everybody should have on their side-by-side. And you get the cargo rack up here on top, which is 26 3/4 by 16 inches. You know, camping off UTVs is getting really popular these days, overland adventuring. And so with this rack, you can see we've got all our camping gear up here, and we're using just rock straps to keep that tied down. You could use bungee straps. There's plenty of tie-down locations on there. We've got our Yeti 45-quart cooler in the back, and what's great about this, you can put it in here with this installed. You can still open the lid to get to your drinks and your food. You know, another great feature about this is the install process, because it's simple. It's going to mount right to the roll cage into the factory chassis holes that you have on the bottom, so there's no modification needed, and this thing is super sturdy and very solid when you have it mounted up, and it looks good. So again, if you're looking to get, 3 things in one, protection, spare tire carrier, and some extra cargo capacity, definitely an accessory that you want to check out. If you have questions or comments, want to get those answered, so make sure, leave those below. And to grab one, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific, so just make sure to enter the year, make, and model of your side-by-side when you're picking yours up. That will ensure you get proper fitment. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and that will keep you up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.